Okay, we're here with Chad at the farmer's market, and he's going to show you one of our specialty drinks that we have. We call it our Devil Dog Cooler, and we're going to make it from scratch. We start with our great flavored blend coffee. This week it's a French vanilla. It's good. It's good. To that, we add 1 scoop of ice. Then we get a half a scoop of our powdered vanilla ice cream. Then we remember to put the lid back on the blender. We hit the blend button for about 10 seconds. That gets all poured into one of our wonderful 16-ounce cups. You got to take the lid off.
Yeah. Wow, that makes too much sense.
And to make life even better and more delicious, we grab a little whipped cream. We then drizzle on Ghirardelli's chocolate and caramel. Shake it down, baby, shake it down.
Oh no.
All this is happening at our market right here. This is live. And then we top it with a maraschino cherry. And the only difference with this one is Chad's a little cheap on the whipped cream, so it doesn't come through the lid. But he learned that from the lady who works here. Go ahead, put a straw in that then. And you can make these at home with our coffee and even use a regular ice cream. And there you go, 1 each Devil Dog Cooler. Enjoy.